Hello and welcome back to Daniel Drives, and welcome to Hilton Park Services, where today me and my girlfriend Izzy are heading to Caffeine and Machine. Really excited, and the reason we're going there today is we're going to have a little Fiat Panda 100 HP car meet. I think it's going to be about 12 there. Hopefully we can all park together. So let's head on the M6, and I think we've got about an hour to go. We've already done an hour. It's been pretty smooth so far. Only my second motorway journey, and the first one was only about 10 miles. So it's definitely interesting. But anyway, let's hit the road. Right, so after 2.5 hours on the road, M6 onto M42, we have finally made it to Caffeine and Machine. Although we actually made it here about 2 or 3 hours ago. But as with many things, I've been walking around everywhere, talking to all of the owners, and I've completely forgot to film. So I've got about 20 minutes or so until we basically get booted off, I think. So I'll try and show you what's here. But I've been chatting to all of the Panda owners, and such lovely people, such lovely people. It's really nice to put, faces to names as well. Obviously people I've talked to on the Facebook group and stuff like that. So it's great to meet them all, and the cars are amazing. It's given me a lot of inspiration actually for stuff I can do to my own. So let me show you if I can. So there's my car there, Paolo, the Panda. We got two Pandas there, a Panda there. And then if I take you down here, this is YC's white Panda, which is absolutely mint. Really, really nice condition. I like his Italian flags as well. And he's got an IKEA Panda. I've actually got a few of them at home. Didn't bring them today though. Here we've got a T-Jet swapped Panda 100 HP. It's obviously turbocharged. Absolute beast. And I've got to say, those wheels are making me awfully tempted to maybe put some new wheels on myself. And the red calipers as well. Absolutely love them. Got another red Panda. Another red Panda. It's owned by a guy called Joe. And he's got Sky Dome. He has the panoramic roof, which is something I really wish mine had. I'm not going to lie. I really, really like that. And this is a local one. This is actually the first Panda 100 HP I ever saw back in 2019. Local to me actually, just in my town. And then it got sold on to a guy called Kieran, and then sold on again, and then sold on to Joe, who has it now. We've got another Panda here. I love what this guy's done to the Fiat badge, the Italian flag in the background. I really like that actually. It's really quite creative. I must mention as well, it's private registration, JP 100 HP. I really like that. I could never do that to mine because obviously it's an 07 plate, so I can't have a 10. Big shame actually, because I really like that. The red ones just look absolutely stunning. I really like the red ones. Obviously they struggle with, fading on the bonnet in particular, and the rear spoiler. And see, lack of peel and stuff. It's quite common on the red ones, but still, I just think they pop really nicely, especially in the sun, and it gives you that Ferrari look, which I know I'm going to get criticised for in the comments, but I really like it. And this has got the very rare option of the plastic side strips as well. You literally don't see it ever. Here as well, we've got another T-Jet Panda, which has had quite a few changes. Our bath wheels, first of all, you'll note, really like them. Looks like modified brakes as well, a bar stripe and wide wheel arches. That's quite something, and a double exhaust system as well, which is quite significant to say the least. I really like that. So yeah, loads of pandas here actually. Again, brilliant to see all the owners, chat to them about everything pandas. I feel sorry for Izzy, my girlfriend, who's sat in the car at the moment with the heater on, because she's like just had to endure my panda ramblings all day. But honestly, what a fantastic turnout here at Caffeine and Machine. It's not just pandas though, got an E46. This is something I'd love as a second car in a few years when insurance gets a bit more bearable. You know, a good old reliable diesel. This is a nice colour as well. Alex Kirsten has got a really nice E46, which I'm obsessed with. Got a Mark 1 MX-5 with the lovely pop-ups with the sort of LED ring lights. I really like that, and whenever I see one of these, it just makes me really miss our old MX-5 we had over 10 years ago now. Can't believe how fast the time's gone. Got BMW M2. Got a Golf, Mark IV Golf. It's just so much to see, GR Yaris and everything. But we'll head over to the main sort of site because there's so much, and I'm going to be honest, I haven't actually seen anything around here because I've spent all my time just with all of the pandas, chatting to all the owners. So we'll head over to the main site and see what we can see. Because there's so many nice cars. Been hearing them all come in. It's nice to be here. Obviously I've seen Caffeine and Machine on Instagram and YouTube and stuff, and it's always been one of them places I've really wanted to come to. And finally I have. I'm really quite happy. I believe on the side, on the wall here, there is a painted Panda 100 HP outline, sort of silhouette. I can't actually remember where it is. I'll have to try and find that, but yeah, there's really nice 350Z over there. Really like that. Head up here. As I said, haven't been up here yet, so it's unfamiliar to me. A few BMWs. And the GR Yaris, there's quite a few of them. A couple of minis. If you want an RS6, just look at this. This is quite something. If I can head up these stairs. Just look at that. That colour and everything. That is lovely. And there's a Panda. One day I've really got to have one of these. So just walked past it before, but give it some proper attention. I'll never forget the one I saw at Supercar Fest in, was it 2021? That brown one. Absolutely lovely car. But even in sort of this stock form, absolutely love them. Eventually, all of the Panda owners decided to leave Caffeine and Machine and head towards a local viewing spot where we would take some lovely photographs of the cars all together in a line. It would also be a brilliant opportunity for all of the Pandas to have a good thrashing around some of the brilliant roads in Stratford-upon-Avon. We've all got the same horn! Now I must say a huge thank you to YC Lau, not only for organising this Panda 100 HP meet at Caffeine and Machine, which was amazing, but also for very kindly supplying me with his GoPro footage. Now you can check out YC's video of today's meet on his channel, Cheeky and Cultured, and feel free to check out his Instagram profiles too. I'll leave everything in the description below.
That's brilliant. Oh, I see the blue one, it got stuck. That is a miracle. All of us just turned up for this. This is brilliant. Do a pull! Sports mode engaged.
Head north, then slight right.
But the factory just passed like literally a couple of weeks ago. Yep. This is crazy.
So there we go, a day at Caffeine and Machine with fellow Panda 100 HP owners, and a nice little convoy drive afterwards too. So I hope you've enjoyed coming along for the journey. It was quite a short video, I think. I'll see exactly how long it is in the edit, but I'm quite scared. There doesn't seem to be a lot of footage actually, but hopefully it's been maybe a little bit exciting. It's certainly been exciting for me seeing so many pandas together. I think the most I've ever seen together was when I went to Asa Thorpe's house, and I think there was about 3. So seeing 12 together in a line was quite something, and everybody was really kind as well. So a huge thank you to everyone for, you know, being so kind, and there will be more stuff like this for the Panda group, so I'm looking forward to that. So if you like this video, remember to like it and subscribe, and you can follow me on social media at DanielCarzo5, and I will see you soon. Underglow.
Mm-hmm.